Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will be taking out old box braids and then I will be prepping my hair for these beautiful box braids seen in the photo. And let's just jump right into this video. Right here I am just clipping the braids maybe 2 to 3 inches under my real hair. Ladies, be sure to not make a mistake and clip your hair. So wherever your hair ends, make sure to go 2 to 3 inches under that. And right here, I'm going to show you where my hair ends and where I clip at from there. See right there, that's my hair, where it ends at. And then I'm going to clip right up under there. And I'm just going to continue to do this until I have cut all of my braids. And once I cut all the braids off, I'm just going to start taking them loose. Some of the braids just unraveled on their own, and then some of them I used my rat tail comb to help me take the braids down. Okay, I want to mention that it is very important to take out as much of the shed hair as possible before washing your hair, because that hair will tangle up, and your hair, if you wash your hair without getting out the majority of that shed hair, your hair is going to be a tangled, matted mess. So I take my hair into sections and I use my detangling brush to get rid of some of the tangles and to remove some of the shed hair. You can remove the shed hair with your fingers, but I'm lazy and I just didn't have time for all that, so I used my brush to remove the shed hair. After brushing each section, I will put it in a 2-strand twist, take my hair clip and clip it out of the way. Once I am finished with all of my hair, I will remove the shed hair from the brush so you can see just how much hair shed from my 6-week-old box braids. I will be back. Okay, here you go. This is all of my shed hair in my brush, and I just want to remind you that it is very important to remove all of that, at least the majority of the shed hair from your head when removing braids or protective style before washing your hair, because all that shed hair will begin to wrap around all of your healthy hair and your hair will be a tangled mess. Okay, I have just finished washing my hair. I have hot water in my spray bottle. I am spraying each section with this water, detangling with my fingers first, and then I am going to be detangling with my detangling brush. Then I'm going to put my hair in a 2-strand twist, clip it up, and I will continue doing these steps until all of my hair has been detangled. I will be back. Okay, this is all of the shed hair from my detangling after my wash. So yes, I still had some shed hair, but that's okay. Now I am going in with my Rosemary Mint leave-in conditioner by Mielle. I'm using those same sections that's already sectioned off. I'm adding my leave-in conditioner to each section, making sure to smooth it onto all of my strands. And then I am going to brush my hair once again, and then I will be putting my hair in a braid. So I'm just going to let you continue watching. I'm just adding leave-in conditioner to the already sectioned off hair, and then I am going to brush it through and smooth it through with my fingers, put it in a braid, and then I am going to move on to the next section and repeat each step until all of my hair is braided. Then I will let it dry and stretch overnight in those braids. The next day, my hair will be ready for my installation of my box braids. And I would like to also mention, if you prefer blow drying your hair rather than letting it dry overnight, that will work perfectly fine too. I just prefer to let my hair dry overnight so I could get a little bit of rest in between prepping my hair and braiding my hair. So once I'm done sectioning off all of my hair and braiding it, I will be back. Okay, this next step is optional. I choose to put the oil onto my hair and scalp while it is still wet so it can absorb into my strands and dry overnight along with my hair. And this will prevent my hair from being so oily when I decide to do my braids. Others I have seen apply oil while doing their braids and some after doing their braids. So this step is up to you when and how you choose to oil your scalp. Once I am finished oiling my hair, I will be back in the morning to show you how I continue to stretch my hair. Okay, it is now the next day and I'm just going to begin to take these braids out. They are 100% dry and I'm just going to remove them all. The oil has absorbed and I'm going to take my detangling brush and remove some of these crinkles. Then I'm going to get a ponytail holder, a satin ponytail holder, and put my hair into 2 smooth ponytails, and my hair will be all ready for my installation of my box braids. I hope my video was helpful and I hope you enjoyed it. If so, could you please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you will be notified for all of my future videos. And I will have a few pictures at the end of this video so you can see the results of my box braids that I did after doing this prep for my box braids. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one. Have a great day.